Shan, another biscuit comparison like your last video?
What's up guys, Eken here back with another video. A good action camera for just Rs 3,500 or under $50. How does it sound? Well, trust me, make sure to watch this video till the end to know all about it. And if you end up liking this video, make sure to hit that like button. Alright, for those who don't know what an action camera is, they are small, light in weight, compact digital cameras designed to capture when you're in action. For say swimming, riding, bungee jumping, travel, surfing, underwater. In situations like that where smartphones are not a good option. Many of you have heard the name GoPro, yeah, the expensive action cameras. But what I have here today is something super cool. Meet this bad boy, the Eken H9R budget-friendly 4K action camera. This one is pretty awesome. In fact, I've already tested this long back, when they had this very ordinary packaging, branding, etc. Now it's more polished. Even shot India's first underwater unboxing using this. Eken is a well-known brand when it comes to budget action cameras. This is the retail box. The package has the branding in the front, contents of the box on one side, back the specifications, the other side has the features, etc. Stylish packaging, isn't it? Cut open, we have the Eken H9R 4K action camera in this nice waterproof case. The case is removable. Then a user manual, must read. Moving on, we have two boxes. One has a micro USB cable, a power adapter and a strap. The other has, oh wow, a truckload of mounts and accessories for the camera. This is impressive at this price. Tethers, a bike mount, you get a few more to use as per your needs. Stick-on mounts, an additional backplate, a skeleton holder where you can attach the camera and mount it on a tripod, handy when you vlog. And finally you have the remote. Huh? Alright, here's the Eken H9R budget 4K action camera. Looks a lot like a GoPro. If you have seen a GoPro, you will agree with me. Build is good, plastic body, very light in weight and small. How small?
I know, Shan, as small as a biscuit, right?
Well, can say, but since I ate all the biscuits, let's compare it against something else. A matchbox. Yep, it's that small. Another exclusive comparison from Eken. To the front, we have the 12 megapixel 170-degree wide-angle lens and an LED light which glows while charging, and the power button which can also be used to switch between modes. Top, we have the light indicator which flashes when you're recording, and then the record button. To the right, we have the navigation button to scroll through settings and a speaker. Left, the micro USB slot for charging, a mini HDMI to connect to TV, monitor, etc. Then a micro SD card slot with up to 64 GB support, get a class 10 high-speed card, and an inbuilt mic. Back, we have the 2-inch color display. Bottom, the battery slot which houses a removable 1050 mAh battery that can give you up to 1 hour of recording. Now moving on to what this camera is capable of. Well, this camera can record videos at max 4K 25fps, 2K 30fps, Full HD 1080p videos at max 60fps, which is pretty good. Oh yeah, you can also do HD 720p at 120fps. We'll show you some samples in a bit. I personally use the 1080p 60fps and will recommend you that as well for better quality and to store a lot on your card. Video quality is good, given its price. Modes you get is looping video, you can adjust the timestamp, adjust exposure, you can also take 12 megapixel wide angle photos with it, burst photos, then time-lapse. Time-lapse, you can't directly shoot videos in it, it can take photos at set intervals which you have to later stitch on an editing software. The UI is pretty straightforward, easy to understand, and the right navigation keys are responsive. Though a touchscreen would have been great, nothing to crib given its price. And oh yeah, this camera is waterproof up to 30 meters, so you can go underwater with it. Make sure to seal it tight in the protective case that you get in the box before you take it underwater. Apart from controlling the camera manually, you can also do it with the remote that is provided in the box or using the EasyCam app on your smartphone. The remote works pretty well and does not need any special configuration. If you want to record video, press the video button. And if you want to take a photo, the photo button. Works up to 20 meters. Also, you can wear the remote as a wristwatch using the strap in the box. It's splash proof but not waterproof, so don't take it underwater. As said, apart from that, you can also control it via your smartphone. Download the Easy iCam app from the App Store. Works on both iOS and Android. And once done, boom, it's cool. Also, you can live stream to Facebook Live and YouTube Live directly from the camera. Awesome blossom. Parties, functions, events. This camera can be used for many different things. Enough said on what all it can do. Now let me show you some samples. So guys, this audio is through the Eken H9R action camera without it being inside the case. So you get a pretty good idea. Weather is quite bad in Chennai, but still I want to make it up to VGP Universal Kingdom to shoot some sample shots for you guys. So if you ever plan to vlog, this is how the audio quality is gonna be. So I hope it gave you an idea. So overall, if you are on a tight budget and want an action camera without spending much for travel vlogging, motor vlogging, casual use, etc., this sure will impress you. If you ask me, is there anything that I personally don't like with it? Well, given its price, I don't have much to crib about. But one thing I would expect is a slot for connecting an external mic so I can capture some better audio. Audio captured via the internal mic could have been better. Also could have had direct time-lapse video recording. Minus that, given its price and what it does, I'm impressed. One of the best budget action cameras you can buy. Go for it, you won't be disappointed. I've given the Best Buy link in the description. No customs, choose India direct mail shipping option. Price might fluctuate plus or minus time to time, not in my control, so please keep that in mind. So that's it for this video, hope you found it informative. If you did, just smash that like button. Come on guys, subscribe to TechShan for more awesome tech videos coming your way. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for some fun updates.